Hi, this is BKS cylinder that I got from Ricky. I'm not sure if he's opened it. I think he said he wants it back because I think he hasn't got it on video. I have managed to open it, and it was not easy, I can tell you. Very, very tricky to open. It seems to hang up on pin 5, and it just, you know, you're ever going to open it, and well, I guess it took me about 5 minutes to open it, but which is quite a long time, I guess, but I am not hopeful that I can open it this time. We'll see. Right, straight away I'm going in, I can feel pin 3 feels a bit sticking up a bit, so I'll poke him down. Pin 4. Pin 3 again. Pin 4 feels like he's sticking up. Pin 4. Pin 5. Pin 2 maybe.
12, 13, 14, 21, 22, 22.9. Yeah.
22.9 ounces is worth $27,500. Only 44 more ounces to go.
1 and 2 feels solid, so I think they're set. 3 feels like it's got a bit of movement in it still. There is 3, another click from 3. 1 and 2 still feels solid. 3 feels solid now. 4 feels pretty solid. Wheel 5 set. This is the one I can't seem to set number 5. I don't know if I need to set one of the others 2 or 3 times to set number 5, but I know number 5 is the opening. It's the key to opening it, because that's how I opened it earlier. But trying to get it on video, it just doesn't want to play ball. Let's have a feel, see if anything else is going to move anymore. 2 maybe, a little bit. 1 a little bit. We're so close, it's just that pin 5. Right, I've got no tension on at all now. Absolutely nothing. I'm just basically holding the tension wrench in place, balancing it.
While Sean tallies his score over at Hank Shimshas.
Season's definitely coming to an end here real quick. Time is of the essence right now. Everything's got to click, click, click. So get our goal, get our count, see how much gold we got, and depart in the morning again. Go back out.
But we're not getting enough new movement. Is that a little bit on 1 maybe?
A lot of work there, buddy. See you at Christmas. But I say we go get it cooked up and so see how much we got. Yeah, let's get this gold weighed out. Think it's gonna be a good one.
That's a heavy pan. Because his scales are broken.
That might have been 1 again. 1 and 2. I had a bit of a fall on the thing.
$29.015. 18.18.
get movement from one again now.
20,000.
Got it. Blimey, fuck me, that was hard work. Whew, I know I didn't talk a lot then, guys, because that was tricky work. But we got there in the end. How long did it take? This, look at the camera. 5 minutes. A well-earned opening, that one. I'm glad it's open. Hope you enjoy it. Well, I am very chuffed, to be honest. I might even have a nice cup of coffee and a biscuit to celebrate. Hope you enjoy that, guys. See you later. Bye.